Good morning, everybody. We will learn about chassis. First of all, we see the definition of chassis. A vehicle without body is called a chassis. There are many components present on the chassis, but here I explain some of these. First one is frame. It is made up of two long members called as side members, which are riveted together with the help of number of cross members. Second one, engine or power plant. It provides the source of power. Next one is clutch. It connects and disconnects the power from the engine flywheel to the transmission system. Another part is gearbox. It is used to reduce or increase the speed of the vehicle. Next one is U-joint. U-joint is used to join the two propeller shaft. Another component is propeller shaft. It is used to carry the power from one component of the vehicle to the another component. And last one is differential. Differential is used to give the equal power to the both wheels, that is right or left wheels. In this we see the layout of chassis. The components we learn previous. This is the layout of chassis, in which the various components are arranged in sequential manner. First one is engine. Next to engine is clutch. Behind clutch, gearbox is present. Propeller shaft is given, and rear axle, horizontal member and side members. This is a general layout of the chassis. Next is the types of chassis. There are number of types of chassis. Out of these, some are present here. First one is according to its control. According to its control, there are three types: conventional, semi-forward and full forward. In conventional chassis, engine is fitted in front of the driver cabin or driver seat. Example of conventional chassis is cars. Second one is semi-forward. In semi-forward, half portion of the engine in driver cabin and half is outside the driver cabin. Example is Tata trucks. Third is full forward. In this, complete engine is mounted inside the driver cabin. Example is bus. Next type is according to the fitting of engine, in which first type is engine at front. The advantage of the engine at front is enough space available for luggage. Behind the rear seat, weight of the vehicle is well balanced. It is easier to inspect, repair and adjust the clutch and gearbox. Second type of the according to its fitting is engine at front but crosswise. In this, engine is fitted front, not in conventional way, drive at front wheels. Example is Maruti BMC. Next, third type is engine fitted at the center of chassis. The advantage of this position is under the chassis or engine is fitted chassis, center of the chassis. This arrangement provides full space chassis floor for use. Example is Royal Tiger Worldmaster buses. And last type is engine fitted at the back. The main advantage of this, flat floor is available since long propeller shafts are eliminated. Example is Renault cars. Another type is according to number of wheels fitted and number of driving wheels. There are four types. First one is 4x2 drive chassis. In this, 4 wheels are present. Out of 4 wheels, 2 wheels are drive wheels. Second type is 4x4 drive chassis. In this, 4 wheels are present and all the 4 wheels are drive wheels or driving wheels. Third type is 6x2 drive chassis. In this, 6 wheels are present in the vehicle. Out of these 6 wheels, 2 wheels are driving wheels. And last one is 6x4 drive chassis. In this, 6 wheels are present in the vehicle. Out of these 6 wheels, 4 wheels are driving wheels. This is the general types of the chassis. Thank you.